Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about what CRM is and how to use it effectively to grow your business and strengthen customer relationships. Let's dive right in. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a system or software that helps businesses manage all their interactions with current and potential customers. Think of it as a digital assistant that stores customer details, tracks communication, and helps teams collaborate more efficiently. Whether you're running a small startup or a large company, a CRM system keeps everything organized in one place, from contact details and sales leads to follow-up reminders and support tickets. So, how does a CRM actually work? Imagine you have hundreds of customers, each at different stages of your sales process. Instead of using spreadsheets or sticky notes, CRM automatically organizes this information. It shows who contacted you, what they're interested in, when they last interacted, and what needs to happen next. That means no missed opportunities, better customer service, and a clearer view of your business performance. Now, let's talk about how to use it. First, import your contacts. You can add customer names, phone numbers, emails, and company details manually or import them from your email or Excel sheet. Once that's done, create pipelines or stages to represent your sales process, like lead, contacted, negotiation, and closed. This visual map helps you track where each customer stands and what action to take next. Next, log all your interactions. Every email, meeting, or call can be saved inside the CRM. Many modern CRMs even connect directly with Gmail, Outlook, or social media, automatically recording your communication history. This helps anyone on your team instantly see what's been said and ensures consistent follow-ups. Then use tasks and reminders to stay organized. If you promise to send a quote or follow up in a few days, the CRM can remind you automatically. Over time, these small actions build stronger trust and more closed deals. Another big advantage is automation. With CRM, you can set rules like send a welcome email when a new lead is added, or assign a sales rep when a deal moves to the next stage. This saves time and ensures no customer slips through the cracks. Analytics is another key part of CRM. Most platforms come with dashboards that show real-time data like total sales, conversion rates, and top-performing team members. These insights help you make smarter decisions and understand where to focus your efforts. There are many CRM tools available today, like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, and Monday CRM, each with its own features, but the core idea remains the same. Keep your customer data centralized, simplify communication, and boost productivity. In summary, CRM isn't just a piece of software. It's a complete business strategy. It helps you understand your customers, improve relationships, and turn simple contacts into loyal clients. Once you get used to it, you'll see how much easier your daily workflow is and how effectively it scales your business. And that's what CRM is and how you can use it to build stronger, smarter, and more profitable customer connections. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.